In this video, I'm going to show you how to use coupons in RedNote Shop. So what you're going to do is you're going over to the Me section and then you are going to click on Shop. And in Shop, we're going to click on the top right, 3 dots. And from here, we're going to click on this coupon area. And as you can see, we can add coupons in here. So as you can see, everything is in Chinese. And I'm going to translate this for you so you can pause this video and use the translation from this video. And you can also do this yourself. I'm just going to show you how this works. You're going to create a screenshot. Then you're going to click on the screenshot. And in here, you're going to select all the Chinese signs on your screen. And then you're going to click on translate. And as you can see in here, these are all the Chinese signs translated. So there are no coupons for the time being at the moment. They will be there in the future. And when you have a coupon yourself, you will be able to claim this coupon inside of this screen. And I have to say that everything will be translated to English probably very soon, because RedNote is getting a lot of attention across the globe, especially in the United States. So this will only be a matter of time. But to give you a solution for now, you can just pause this video with the translation and then you will be good to go. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.